In this video, you will learn about RH incompatibility.
RH incompatibility occurs when the mother's blood type is RH negative and her fetus blood type is RH positive. What is this positive and negative? RH positive means rhesus factor positive. Rhesus factor is a protein on the RBCs. RH positive people have this particular protein on their RBCs, but RH negative people don't have RH factor on their RBCs. Baby's blood doesn't normally enters mother's circulatory system during pregnancy because of the presence of placental barrier. But at the time of delivery, the placental barrier breaks and fetal RBC will get mixed up with maternal blood. When fetal RBC mix up with maternal blood, B cells of maternal body recognizes this fetal RBC as a foreign body and initiates immune response that is called RH sensitization and produces antibodies.
The first antibody which is produced as a result of RH sensitization is IgM, which doesn't affect newborn. But the potential antibody IgG, which has the capability of crossing placental barrier, is produced several hours after delivery. By that time, the baby will be delivered safely. So usually in first pregnancy, RH incompatibility do not make any problems. Thousands of antibodies are produced after delivery. Mother's immune system gets stronger on each subsequent pregnancies. So, in her second pregnancy, if the fetus is RH positive, IgG immunoglobulin already present in maternal blood crosses the placental barrier and attack fetal RBCs. As a result of fetal RBC destruction by IgG, bilirubin is released, which causes jaundice. RBC destruction also results in anemia. These are called hemolytic diseases of fetus and newborn HDFN or Erythroblastosis fetalis. Infant with mild incompatibility can be treated with IV immune globulins and phototherapy. The possible complications from severe RH incompatibility include brain damage due to high levels of bilirubin, fluid buildup and swelling in baby called hydros fetalis, problems with mental function, movement, hearing, speech and seizures. Severely affected infants needed exchange transfusions with RH negative blood. This RH negative blood stabilizes levels of RBC and minimizes damage from RH antibody already in baby's bloodstream. If the mother is RH negative and her partner is RH positive, then by assuming the baby would be RH positive, Rhody immunoglobulin is given at 28 weeks of gestation to prevent RH sensitization from possible events like abdominal trauma, bleeding or miscarriage. The second dose is within 72 hours of delivery to prevent mom's immune system becomes sensitized to initiate immune response, thereby protecting future pregnancies. Let's conclude. RH incompatibility occurs only when mother is RH negative and her fetus is RH positive. But if the mom is RH positive, then there is no problem. The baby can be either positive or negative, whatever it may be, she is not going to attack baby's blood cell. In places with good antenatal care, this is not a big deal due to the invention of Rhody immune globulin. If you like this video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe.